Once upon a time, some people lived on the hills. They stayed there very happy. There lived farmers also. There was a boy whose name was Bhavya. Bhavya loved finding mysterious things like haunted houses, ghosts, or treasure hunts. One day, Bhavya was in his house. He was cleaning the house. In his cupboard, he found a map. Bhavya opened the map and saw the instructions to find a treasure. He was surprised. He took the map and started following the way shown. The first instruction was 1. Go to the river and enter a secret code on a secret place. The second instruction was 2. Enter the password to open a big door. But he doesn't know the password. There was something written on the map about password. It was written, the password was. Now he was ready to go for the treasure hunt. He took his bag and left. He went to the river, but he could not find the machine on the secret wall. He found a dark, suspicious place. Bhavya went to that place and found a wall on which a password machine was there. Bhavya entered the password and the wall opens. He was frightened to go inside, but he wanted the treasure also. Bhavya went in courageously and he saw 3 ways to go. Bhavya was confused to which way to go. He went in the first way. He checked inside and again returned to that place. He went in the second way. He checked inside, but he returned back from there too. Only one way is left. He went in the third way. He checked inside, but he found nothing. Bhavya walked straight and again 2 ways were there. He tried the first. He found something written on the wall. He could not understand the meaning of the letters. Bhavya kept his hand on the wall, and the wall opens. There was treasure behind the wall. Bhavya took the whole treasure and went home. He got a reward for his efforts in looking for the treasure.